It's Chef Sarah's kitchen again. Today I'm going to make passion juice. I'm going to use fresh squeezed passion juice, fresh from the farm. It's with no preservative. You can take it anytime, especially when it's hot. Stay tuned as I prepare it. I have my passion fruits, which are here. This is sugar syrup and water. First of all, I'm going to cut my passions into halves. Cut them into halves before you scoop. After cutting into halves, I'm going to scoop it like that. Do the same to the rest. And the benefits of fruits, fresh juice, is because it has natural taste and it's also good in vitamins. As I prepare, I'm not going to add any preservative. I've finished. As you can see, I'm not going to use a blender because the blender usually leave behind the black particles. So I'll just use a wire whisk, which I have it here. First of all, I'm going to put a little sugar, this sugar syrup. If you can omit sugar syrup if you don't like sugar. Then I put my water. I use wire whisk. Beat until you get the right color. As you see, I've finished. I'm going to sieve it. After sieving, you can test. If the sugar is not enough, you can add more. Finished sieving. I'm going to serve in my glass. No any additives, no sugar, no color, just fresh juice. This is my end product. As you quench your thirst, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy!